Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with yet another wreath video. This one I'm gonna do for the Diva Space. You know, I did the Yeehaw sign recently where I glammed it up. And the space that I initially wanted to put it in was going to be a little too small for it. So what I'm going to do is actually make this wreath to actually go over the picture that I have in the space. So sort of like when people put wreaths in front of mirrors and stuff like that. I want to do the same thing because I want to add a little more of a festive look to the Diva room. So we're going to make a wreath for that. So I have this wreath form from Dollar Tree. And this is a 12-inch wreath form. And then I have these two garlands. I have one silver and one gold because I'm just trying to incorporate a little more gold in here. Just maybe for the holidays to add a little more sparkle. But primarily silver is the color of choice. But we need a little change. So I have one of each. And I'm hoping the two of these will be enough. I think I have two more, you know, one in each color. But we're going to see if we can make this work. So we're going to get started. And this should be simple. I have some of these chenille stems just in case I need something to, I guess, secure the tinsel garland to the form here. But we're just going to see if I can just wrap and go. So these are 9-foot garlands, I think. Let's see. Yeah. So, I'm just gonna combine the two together, you know, end to end like this, and then find a spot. Oh, well, it would help if I got this tag off of here. And I always try to keep these on hand. You never know what you may want to make a wreath for. So again, I shop my stash. Again, I'm not trying to buy anything holiday related. What I want to do is get some stuff for spring. And, you know, once the holiday's over, you know, we'll be in spring mode. Valentine's Day briefly and then spring. So I want to get some stuff for spring. I don't have a lot of spring decor. So I'm just kind of waiting for that to come around. So I guess that'll do. Because it's not going to be seen anyway. And I got these, I think, on clearance from Dollar General. I think these were like 50 cents or something when I got them. So that's why I got a few. And then, of course, you know, Dollar Tree has these as well. So anyway, let's go. So end to end, we'll just pick a spot. So I'm going to start up here. Well, in the middle. I think I'm going to start in the middle. So I'm just going to bring the two of these together. Well, you know what? Let me come this way, because I'm going to tie it in the back. Well, thought I had it going through the same hole. Okay, there we go. So what I'm going to do, just pull both through. Okay, I did something. I think I have something caught. Okay. Alright. I'm just going to tie it off. And then just wrap. There we go. Okie dokie. Lost a few in the process. Okay, let me toss that in the trash. Alright, so here we go. We're just gonna, okay, wrap. So this is easy. And Dollar Tree actually sells wreaths like this. But I don't know. I wanted to do my own. And for some reason, I think they're a little bit smaller. I could be wrong. But I think they're smaller. You know what? Let's try something. I'm going to do this. I'm going to twist them together so it looks like it's just one cohesive garland, I guess, if you will. And that way, I think we'll get enough of each color. So, just giving it a twist. So, All I have to do is just wrap. Okay. I'm sorry if y'all can't see this, but it's just, I'm twisting. Okay, so here we go. And you can see, I twisted it together so we can get a nice little blend of color together. Oh, let me move these out of the way. Sorry, y'all. Okay. I got another project coming that I'm going to do after this, so I had all my supplies together. But basically, this is it. I'm just wrapping and going around the wreath. And you can make it as tight or loose as you want. But, yeah. And this is one you can get the kids to help you with. I think that would be great. It's time to twist some more. Because I think they'll love it. And this will keep them busy, honey. When they're bored, I don't have anything to do. All kids like Christmas. And so when it comes down to stuff that Santa gets to see when he comes to the house or whatever, they'll love doing this. I remember those days. All my kids are grown now. And, oh gosh, I forgot to tell y'all. I'm going to be a grandma. One of my daughters is expecting in the spring. I'm super excited. So, yeah. But, you know, we'll talk about that later. Try to plan a shower and all that good stuff. But, yep. Yeah, girl's gonna be a grandma. So, anyway. Here we go. Almost there, y'all. Next time this year, I'll have a grandbaby that I can spoil and send home. So, okay. There we go. I hope I was in frame the whole time, y'all, because I'm not looking at the camera. So what I'm going to do is run this through and tie it off. Okay. Well, you don't want to go that way. Go around and tie this off. And this is where I think I want to... Let's see if we can take it through that one. The last one. Maybe I don't have to do anything. Okay, there we go. So I'm losing tinsels. I love that. I just love, 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 love it. Okay, I love that little sparkle. And that's it. And again, you know, Dollar Tree sells some similar to these, but I wanted to do my own, and I kind of like how that looks, the gold and silver interspersed. So what I'm going to do is take one of these. Ooh, well, not all of them, y'all. Take one of these pipe cleaners or chenille stems, as they're known today, and just make a hanger. Let me see where I want to, which way I want to hang it. I want to go this way. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to make a little hanger. Alrighty. So I'm just making a loop. And then I'm going to actually take it through the bottom, I guess, little edge down here. And then twist it on. If I can get through the tinsel, we'll be good. Okay, there we go. Because I don't want it to hang too low. You know how you can see the hanger behind stuff. So now I'm just going to twist that together so we can hang it. Okay, secure that. Yep, that's good. Okay, and then I'm going to hang it right here in the diva space. But I love how that looks. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Doesn't take much, huh? But yeah, I like that. And I'm just wondering, do I want to add something to it? I don't know. I could add some of the... I gotta find them, though. I have some of the diamond charms, you know, the little... I don't know. They may be too much. I think I'm gonna keep it simple. If I do, you'll get a chance to see it, but I doubt if I will. I think this is enough. I got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of sparkle in here already. So there is my wreath. Super easy to make, y'all. Had fun doing this, and I'm going to move on to the next DIY. So again, give me a thumbs up if you like this. If there's anything you want to see me do, please leave it below. Any ideas, whatever you want me to come up with, I don't know. If you have some suggestions. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more of this and hit that notification bell. And until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye.